Adriana started sewing when she was 8. And she started seeing everything that was going on and she wanted to help. So she started making masks for the family, and then we asked our doctor's office if they wanted some, and it just kind of took off from there. We really enjoy it, and yes, having something to do is great, but it just is more important to be helping. Michael Bennet actually tweeted about her, Senator Michael Bennet, and she was over the moon. She was just like, I'm really making a difference. Like, you are making a difference. So being home, nothing changed for us because you're a great program. I love the online school because she's not just sitting in a classroom for hours and hours. She gets in there and she does. And then the rest of the day we can work on life lessons. I'm so incredibly proud of her because she's not asking for anything. She's just doing it.